we're about to play another round of tic-tac-toe and see who's gonna win. Pink versus purple. Okay, go ahead. You go first. I'm trying to make sure you don't beat me. Nobody.
What the heck?
Okay, that's.
I'm gonna be circle again.
One more.
I'm gonna be circle.
Okay. It's a cute little game at Dollar Tree. Y'all can't beat this.
That's
Make sure you try to check out Dollar Tree so they have any markdown of 25 cents. Be nice. Be nice. Okay, go ahead.
you go first. Huh? What now?
Up. Mistakes, mistakes, mistakes. Mistakes, mistakes, mistakes. You're not paying attention, see?
Yes, I am.
If you wasn't being so rough with me, you would be winning right now. But you're about to lose again. Because you sit here trying to be
No,
rough.
I go first.
It's my turn.
No,
You
no,
was
no,
too busy trying to-
No.
Okay, let's start over then. Okay, let's start over again. Well, you need to pay attention to what you're doing.
I am.
Go ahead.
You go first.
Oh, I'm about to beat you. Oh, I'm about to beat you.
I'm gonna be in session.
You wasn't paying attention. You too busy trying to make faces at me. Come on. Come on, little cheater. Cheater.
Mom, wait, don't do it yet.
Oh, you forgot your piece and fell.
Can you get it?
No.
Please.
You think she's trying to trick somebody. One.
What the hell?
What the hell's a cuss word? You're not supposed to say that. It's okay. Listen. It's okay. I don't know. Listen. It's okay. It's okay. What the? It's okay. It's okay. I'm just letting you know what the hell's a cuss word, okay? You don't say it, okay? Okay? It's okay. I'm not mad at you. You didn't know. You didn't know. You didn't know. It's okay. Who you heard say it? Who you heard say that? Somebody in school? It's okay. It's no problem. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. Stop crying, Mila. You want to go to bed? Okay, so stop crying. It's a mistake. It's not a big deal. I'm just letting you know that what the hell is a cuss word, okay? It's no problem. You didn't know. Alright? Okay. We'll play it one more time. One more time. You found it?
No.
Okay. Kids don't know everything. You gotta learn, okay? It's no problem. It's no problem. I'm not upset at all, okay? I'm not upset. It's okay. You're not gonna get in trouble for it, okay? Alright, let's play. Come on. Darn, you won. You feel better? Okay, one more and that's it. I'm not gonna let you win this time.